Julian Cono invades Korea! Pero, kidding aside, isa to sa mga, usually pagmamalaki natin, especially with the Artist Center, kasi meron tayong isang artista, kasama namin this Sunday All-Stars, na talagang naman sobrang passionate sa kanyang craft, especially with dancing. At yun, napalitaan ko, aral niya yung singing. So, Brother Julian, good luck with everything. I know how talented you are, and I know how you persevere each and every work that brings to you. So, yan, good luck, and good luck in Korea. I think sa mga taong hindi pa ata nakaranas ng mall show ni Julian Trono, fun fact, nasa 14 or 15 years old pa lang ata si Julian, kaya niyang pasara ng isang barangay na siya lang ang sasayaw. Ganun. Diba? So alam mo na, Julian Trono, pasalubong mo lang. Yun lang. God bless. Good luck.
Hi, Julian! Congratulations sa iyong bagong album at sa iyong pagiging bagong K-pop of the Philippines! Sobrang exciting. Actually, nag-stalk ako ng Instagram mo kaya doon ko nalaman. Congrats! Galing mo talaga. Idol ka namin ni Gino. Yeah! See you soon, okay? Bye!
Hi, baby boy! Ito, baby boy to Julian. In behalf of the Sayo Pilipinas crew, I am very, very proud of you. You know that since day one. And I'm wishing you all the best there. Grab every opportunity na available dyan sa Korea. And thank you kay Julian. Siya yung hindi nauubusan ng energy. Kahit anong oras, kahit madaling araw na. Siya ay punong-puno ng energy. And ayun, I'm wishing you all the best, baby boy. And we miss you here.
Surprise! Annyeonghaseyo! Nako, Julian, ha? Nako, I can't believe it's already a K-pop artist and everything. Good luck sa'yo, brother. Nako, masayang-masaya ako for you. At sana, nako, siguro kauna-unahang Pilipino na nandyan ngayon sa Korea, training and everything, dancing, singing. What did dancing ask for? Sana pagdating mo nito, marunong ka pa mag-Tagalog, ha? Annyeonghaseyo! Amazing!